So I thought maybe we have gardens, you and me, and I thought maybe we can do it. It's wonderful to present the prints and the leaves and the garden and trees and everything we have in the garden.
Yes. And that was also the last reason that I took more care to my garden and to see my garden maybe with other eyes than before.
Well, when we agreed on the theme of having this gardening for everyone, I thought, my God, this is going to be kitsch, you know. When you present flowers and things like that, oh, who is going to look at it? And then I had to think how to transfer the things from the garden on the plates, let's say.
First I thought, oh, that will be heavy because my paintings and working is very abstract, and I think for this exhibition there should be some where you can see the leaves and exactly, and not only to have the colors like I like to work with my prints or also with my paintings. And so it was really a Herausforderung.
What we do nowadays in this century, let's say, or the last 50 years, is very different. What used to be classical 500 years ago Dürer's prints, which had to be black, precise, and always present something from the mythology. We don't do that anymore. But the rest, in fact, remains the same. The technology is the same. The way of printing, you have the press, you have the colors, you have the metrics from which you take out what you intended to do, and that's it. But the new image has to be absolutely contemporary. Otherwise, there is no use of making these things. We don't want to repeat history.